Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to trade the high impact news. We're talking about news that have great impact on the forex market, news that is capable of moving with high volatility, that can move up to about 100 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips in split seconds. We're talking about news like the non-farm payroll, talking about news like non-farm payroll, FOMC statements, and the news consumer price index. Now, as you can see, today is August 5th, and we are having this news that will be commencing by 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1 time, and that is the non-farm payroll, which will be taking place at that point in time. Now, if you can look here now, we have figures here, which is the actual. We have the forecast. So this is the forecast figures that we are currently having here now, and this is the previous NFP that took place. This is the figures that we're having, and this is the forecasts that a whole lot of traders, which is sentiment, which are a whole lot of traders are looking at, that they felt that this will be the figures they will be expecting that will come out, and this will be the actual figure. The actual figures, these are figures that will be released when it is the news time, which is 1:30 p.m. So at exactly 1:30 p.m. the news release figure will be given out. So the figures that comes out here is what will determine if the market will move bullish or bearish massively. So being that we want to catch the move, if it goes north or south, if it goes bearish or bullish, we want to make profit from that news. We want to make pips from that news, and that will now inform us to use what we call pending orders. Now, as you can see currently here now, there are two ways of trading the news. One is trading the news using pending order, which I'm going to demonstrate to you guys now, while the other one is trading the news reversal. The reversal is after the news might have taken effect. Now, using candlestick patterns as well as other indicators, that will not tell us that okay, now the news time is over, and with a candlestick formation that's been formed at this particular level, it says we are seeing sign of rejection that shows that the market will eventually start to reverse and go back to where, of course, it was coming from. So that is how to trade. That is talking about the reversals. So now this is how we trade the news. Like I said, we're going to be making use of pending orders, which is the buy stop as well as the sell stop. So the buy stop is usually placed above the market current price, while the sell stop is usually placed below the market current price. So what we are going to do now, we come in here, market execution, and we choose a pending order. Here on this type, we choose buy stop. Now the buy stop here, what we are randomly going to do here, we can come in here and pick any random price here that is far away from the market current price. Here's market current price now. So we're coming here and we are going to pick this 1791.05. So that's what we're going to do. I'll come in here and key 1791.05. Now I can leave our take profit out. All we're concerned about next is our stop loss. So you can just basically click, which you can be able to modify manually later. You click on place. Now you have done that. Ensure, okay, good. I don't want my loss to be more than 20 or 25 pips, as the case may be. Okay, now so this is 21 pips. So if the trade should go against me, I'm going to have loss of a $106 loss. Now that I've done, so I will simply drag this file away from the market current price now, since it's not yet the news release time. So we'll drag this one file away from the market. Now we'll come in again and we'll come to new order. Under execution, we'll come to pending order, and this time we're going to choose sell stop. Now, just as we have done to the buy stop, we are going to do same to the sell stop. So what we are going to do at this point in time, we'll just come in here now and pick any random figure. So on this one, let me take a 1766.70. so come in here and say 1766.70. now for the stop loss, you can just come in here and say place. Now you are done. So here is it. So this is my pending order for the sell. Now you can see that the margin is very big. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag our stop now, which our stop loss, which are at the top here now. We are going to drag it to our 20 pips. So you can leave it. Now you can see now that I'm having 35 pips as loss. Now if you want to be 30, you can drag to 30. If you want to be 35, you can leave it at 35. If you want it at 20, you can leave it at 20. So now I'm going to leave it at 20 pips. Okay, now it's 21, which is fine. So I'm having 21 pips. I'm currently having 21 pips here, and as my loss for the stop for the set stop, and I'm equally having 21 pips stop loss for the buy. So now I've been able to set both pending orders. Now the reason why I'm dragging it far away from the market current price is that the news release time is 1:30 p.m. Now the news to take place by 1:30 p.m. and as you can see here, now we're having my time here is 11:12 a.m. So you are going to be having those parameters set down. Now when it has gotten to the news release time, 2 minutes to the news release time, what you now do, you just come in here and drag your pending orders 15 to 20 pips to where the market current price is. So what you do, you drag it down here to the market 20 pips close to the market current price, as you can see me doing now. Then you come in and drag the buy stop also to 20 pips away from the market current price. So if you have done that, you can come in here, click on your crosshair, and you see how many pips. Now this is 51 pips. That is too far. Like I may mention, you're going to do this 2 minutes before the market time, 2 minutes before the news release time. That's when you're going to do this. So you drag this down there. So as the market keep moving, let's assume the market is moving downwards, we'll keep dragging this one downwards. If the market is going upwards, we keep dragging this one upwards. We want the market to only activate one of the pending order at the exact time the news release will be given out. So we want one of our pending order to be triggered at exactly 1:30 p.m. We don't want to be triggered at 1:28 or 1:25. We want to be triggered at 1:30 p.m. So for that reason, you have to be dragging both pending orders. You have to be dragging both pending orders away from the market current price 20 pips. And when it gets to the exact 1:30 p.m., now we're going to be seeing a spike that will take place. And that spike will start falling down massively, or the spike will go up massively. So once that is done, you are going to see that this one of the pending order, either the sell stop or the buy stop, irrespective of the news release, if it is positive, we are going to see it move upwards. If it's negative, it's going to move downwards. So one of them will get activated. So if, for example, it fell down, now our sell stop will be automatically activated, and will start moving along with the trend. Now when it gets to the level that you are satisfied with, then you cannot close out your profit. Now if this one is activated, therefore means I'm going to delete the buy stop pending order that we are having upwards. If it's the buy stop that is activated, then we're going to delete the sell stop that is unactivated. So this is basically how I trade the news. You can equally check out my other videos that I've posted on how I've traded the FOMC statement, as well as the non-farm payroll in previous months. You can equally see I trade them live, and you can equally learn one or two from there, which you can incorporate to you trading the news. I may also tell you too that that trading the news is very volatile, and trading the news is very risky. So you want to bear that in mind, and you should really trade with money that you can afford to lose. Now if you know you cannot be able to keep pace with the news trading, then it's best for you to trade the news reversal, and that is what I'm going to be talking about in my next video. So this is basically how I trade the news. I believe you have learned one or two from this video. If you actually found value from this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in subsequent video where I will be talking about how to trade the news reversal. Bye for now.